Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a compact set of base words and the scrambling rules because these decisions define player experience. Pick 5-10 words, each 3-8 letters, then decide whether to fully shuffle letters or lock one letter in place. Once done, set difficulty via time limits and hint counts so the game scales. Make sure to balance word familiarity with challenge. Easier words let you test mechanics quickly. Harder words reveal edge cases you must handle next. You now implement the scrambling algorithm and apply constraints so puzzles remain fair and solvable. Use Fisher-Yates to generate unbiased permutations, then check that the result differs sufficiently from the original to avoid trivial matches. Once generated, enforce your rules. Preserve fixed letters, keep multi-letter groups intact, or respect hyphens. Make sure to produce alternate scrambles if a permutation creates another real word unintentionally. This prevents accidental clues and keeps difficulty consistent across rounds. You finish by polishing the user interface and rigorously testing so gameplay feels smooth and fair. Implement input methods, drag and drop, typing, or letter selection, plus visible timer, score, and immediate feedback. Once done, run at least 20 playtests to identify ambiguous scrambles or frustrating words. Make sure to add hint tiers and small error tolerance for typos. If something goes wrong, check your shuffle constraints and word list first. That single fix resolves most unexpected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.